Yeah. And then just another question, what would you say? So what would you say are like the key, I know we've touched on this, but key like values of ASFX as a brand, and I know that you represent you and Riley represent the brand. Like I know you always said that you don't like hiding behind the brand because you are the brand. And what are your values? What would they tie in with ASFX?
I think I could sit here and pick myself apart, bro, on the pros and cons of building ASFX with my name on it. There's pros and there's cons. But in this business, because what did we say at the beginning of today's episode? You need to be genuine and like let that genuine authenticity, honesty show through. So for me, I think subconsciously, maybe I knew this, maybe I didn't know it, whatever. I kind of felt like if I put my name on it, I have to stay accountable to it. Like a rapper, like Russ, bro.
Yeah.
Russ goes by Russ. His name is Russell. That's his forever. Whatever he does, that's his name. I don't want to be one of these girls that makes a fake name and starts an OnlyFans for a year or two. A stripper name. And then I got to go be no, like it was just like, I could be my most honest self. I could have hid it behind Vantage FX. I'm sorry if that's somebody's Forex name. I'm sorry if I totally just ripped somebody. I don't know.
Just putting out something else.
Alphabet Forex, bro. I could have named it anything and hid behind that. But by making it my name, I think I made myself be more accountable. Subconsciously, that's what I was doing. And I think if you look at the logo on my shirt or on my arm, right, this triangle logo with the 3 lines in it, the idea, the moral mission behind ASFX was that, like I said before, I don't think I'm a super genius, bro. I work really hard and I will stand on the top of the earth and scream, I will work harder than most people. But if I could surround myself with a bunch of smart people, then who knows where we're going. So the logo actually means the triangle with the line going through it is transcendence. It's a symbol for a lot of things, but it's transcendence in the way that I took it. And then we put the 3 pillars. You can see it right above my head here. Those 3 pillars right in the middle of the triangle right here.
Yep.
Those pillars are one of many symbols in Egyptian hieroglyphics for group. So the symbol, when you put it all together, means transcendence as a group. Like the triangle is being held up by the group. So without the group, you can't transcend. So the logo really means financial transcendence together as a group. Like we will only go as far as we will go farther together than we would alone is the best way to say
it. Yep. Yeah. No, I agree. And that's why I think those are some great points. And when you asked me to be a coach, I'd already been with you for over a year and almost a year and a half at the time. And that's why I was just really, really, your morals, ASFX, and your personal, as Austin Silver's morals and values really resonated. And I agreed with.
Well, that's why I brought you on board, bro.